Hey guys, out here today checking out 216 Telford out here in Oakwood. And I'll tell you what, if you are looking for an opportunity to get into Oakwood on a steal of a deal, this is it. 1,200 square feet, and this is one of the original Sears Roebuck houses from back in the day. A quick view of the neighborhood here. Tree-lined streets, nice and mature trees. Gorgeous neighborhood. Elementary school, the library, playground, all within walking distance. Now this has got a huge 2-car detached garage down there, back there at the back of the drive past the fence, and we'll check that out here in just 1 second. Old colonial style porch here, tons of space for, as you can see, the swing, tables, chairs. Let's step up here and take a step into this front door. I'll show you some of the nicer features of this home. Stairs heading up, and this hardwood right here, this is all gumwood all the way around in this house. So this isn't the normal that you would see in some of these houses. Fireplace can be converted to a ventless gas. They're doing new tile work on that as well. I'll give you another view of the living room as you walk in. Huge, gorgeous, gorgeous living room. Got our dining area here. Let's walk on into the kitchen. Gorgeous tile work all the way through. Check out that space. For this price, you are not going to find anything this clean and this well kept in Oakwood. Dishwasher already built in. Cabinets, gorgeous, gorgeous. Windows overlooking the side yard, and then the back door overlooks the backyard. Give you another view of this kitchen here. Now, one of the nicer features of this house too is that you've got an unfinished basement that you can do whatever you like with. So it's almost like having just a blank canvas down here to work with, freshly painted all the way around. Let's take a look down here, and this is huge, huge down here. Updated furnace and air in the home. Ridiculous amount of space back here. So you don't just have the front room, you've got this back room as well that you could close off and make into your laundry and utility area. And guess you could maybe call that a half bath there. You got a sink and a toilet. We're not going to for the sake of the listing, but you do have a fully functional toilet down here as well. Super clean down here. Check out our extra 2 storage rooms down here. That could just be storage. Super clean. Very well taken care of. Come into our other storage area here. So, like I said, it doesn't have to be just storage down here. You could finish every bit of this off for more living space. Have the extra two rooms for storage. Have a whole other family room down here. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. Take a peek up the bedrooms and the bathroom up there. Huge closet right there. All right. Again, those hardwoods are gorgeous. All right. There's our main bath here. First bedroom on the top floor. And then our master suite. Huge, huge room. Tons of space. All right. Now let's go outside and check out the space out back. And for Oakwood, huge lot that this sits on, almost 2/10 of an acre. All right, let's head out back and check that out. All right, guys, stepping out the back door here. There's our driveway gated in. There's our 2-car detached garage, 3-dimensional roof on this home as well. Updated furnace, updated air conditioner, updated water heater as well. Vinyl siding all the way around on the house. We'll come back here to check out our back area as well. Tons of space back here as well. Easily fit your play set, kids' toys, plenty of room for entertaining. So again, guys, 216 Telford and Oakwood. Not going to find a better deal for an opportunity to pick up a great house in Oakwood. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk with you soon.